Hello and welcome back to Just Smell Better. Now we just hit 1,000 subscribers and I appreciate you guys so much. So what I'm gonna do is, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll put the link in the description. Go follow me. I'm gonna put a post right there and I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away a fragrance, any fragrance of your choice, for under $100. So as long as it is $100 or below, whatever you want, I'll give it away to one of you guys. Basically, all you're gonna need to do is go follow me on Instagram and comment on my post the name of the fragrance that you want, and then I'm gonna choose randomly and give away a fragrance to one of you guys to thank you guys. So thank you again for 1,000 subscribers. In the last video, I did an online blind buying colognes, blind buying online fragrances. We got 4 brand new blind bought fragrances that I'm gonna try out, give my first impressions. So let's start off with the first one. I bought my second ever niche fragrance. We got Bond number 9, Bleecker Street, the green one. Look at this beautiful package right here. Beautiful package by Bond number 9. Now I don't really care about the boxes because I do throw those away, but I do care about the bottles because obviously they're displayed in your room. If my girl ever comes in my room, I want her to see the beautiful bottles. I do show her the bottles too, so you know they need to look good. And here it is. The presentation is amazing. I mean, if I'm paying over $100, it better be amazing, you know. So this is definitely some good Damn, I almost dropped this shit. Let me take it up before I drop it. Now, when I first saw these bottles, I was not a big fan of them. I mean, look at the way they're shaped. The color's ugly. Purple and green. Looks like a fucking Ninja Turtle Donatello right here. The one with the stick. But, I mean, it kind of grew on me. So, let's spray it. I heard this is supposed to smell like freshly cut grass. So, let's test it out. It definitely does not taste like freshly cut grass, let me tell you that. I don't know what to think about it. I don't get any specific note. I don't get anything really. I just get a bunch of chemicals. I mean, it smells good. It smells like good chemicals, don't get me wrong, but it just smells like a generic fragrance, a generic perfume. I don't really know how to describe it. I'm lost on this one. I'm lost because I was expecting something maybe a little bit weird, or you know, a little bit original, because people were begging me in the comments to buy niche fragrances, and I usually don't like to get them because they're so weird, so hard to like. And this one, it's kind of like a designer type of niche because it's mass appealing. Like, it doesn't smell weird at all, but it doesn't smell original either. It's weird. I'm having mixed feelings about this one because obviously I was scared it was gonna smell like ass, but I also wanted to be different from any other fragrance because I paid over $150 for this shit, for just to be boring, for just to be like I can go to a Burlington, buy a random one, and it'll probably smell like this. I don't know. I don't get the hype for this one. I mean, it is only first impressions, only first spray, so take it for a grain of salt. Obviously, the dry down has to come and all that. This is a first impressions video, and first impressions, it's boring. I was expecting something more interesting for the $170, $60 that I paid for this. Bond number 9, Bleecker Street. Definitely a little disappointed. So right now I'll give this a 4 out of 10 because like I don't need it in my collection. There's nothing original about this, but I'm definitely excited to test it out, and hopefully it doesn't let me down any more than it already did. The next one is Dior Homme Sport 2021. I wanted to get a Dior in my collection. I was still yet to have one. I don't like Dior Sauvage, so I wanted to try Dior Homme Sport, and I heard 2021 was better than 2020. So let's check it out. The bottle definitely looks classy. It looks like a Dior bottle. Dior fragrances, they always look classy. Like, if you're rich, like, you pull this out, damn, I got money. Yes, I do. No, I don't, but let's see how it smells. This one's a little weird too. What the fuck? Dior Homme Sport. I thought it was gonna be like a sporty cologne, a sporty fragrance, but it's not. I do get similarities to Dior Fahrenheit. That like type of petrol or gasoline. I don't know which one it is, but that type of dark like manly scent. That like this is a masculine scent for sure. It's different, but I do enjoy the way that Dior Fahrenheit smells. Like I would never wear it because I'm not old. Like I said, I was expecting a little bit of a sporty fragrance, a little bit of a freshie, but I don't mind this at all because not everything has to be a freshie. I mean, it is sports, so it is a little bit deceiving, but there's nothing wrong with a new style of fragrances, and I think I'm gonna like this one a lot. Yeah, like this is something you smell like on a man, you know, there's something you smell on a man. Like this is power. This is power right here. This is, you smell this? I smell the testosterone. I don't mind having a really masculine scent in my collection whenever I want to go out. I don't have a wedding coming up tomorrow, so I might pull this one out. Do you guys think that's a good idea to wear? I mean, it's gonna be too late for when the video releases, but is that a good idea to wear Dior Homme Sport 2021 to a wedding? I'm gonna give this right now a 6 out of 10. Let's see how it performs. But for right now, a 6 out of 10. Smells really good, really unique, pretty decent addition to my collection. Now next up, we got Moschino's Toy Boy. This one's my most risky blind buy. Not because of the price, it's pretty cheap, but because people online, on YouTube, for Grantica are so divisive, so polarized on this fragrance. Some people say it smells really good, like florals, really unique. I know Omar from School of Scents love this one, but a lot of people say that it smells nasty. It smells like shit. So here we go. I mean, I did also get it for the bottle because the bottle looks funny as hell. Like you just got a little bear. But I also bought it because people in the comments have been giving me good, decent criticism that I blind buy the safest blind buys ever. Like it is good criticism, but at the same time not, because I don't want to buy a shit cologne. Come on now, like why would you blind buy a risky, potentially smells like ass cologne? You know, you want to blind buy something that a lot of people like, and then you're excited to smell how good it smells, you know? But that's enough yapping. Let's smell Moschino's Toy Boy. Damn, this atomizer is good. What the fuck? I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. What the fuck? It smells like fucking tamarindo. What the fuck? It smells like let me say it in English. Tamarindo. It smells like fucking, nah, hell nah, bro. Why would anyone wear this? You want to smell like tamarindo outside? You want to go on a date and smell like fucking tamarindo? I feel like I'm gonna attract all the bees, all the mosquitoes, because they think I'm some leftover food that I dropped or some shit. It's sweet, fruity. I don't get many florals like people describe. Definitely a divisive, polarizing scent. I might have to try it out, but I'm scared to try it out. I'm scared to go in public wearing a fucking Toy Boy smelling like I don't know, man. If you're Mexican, you definitely have smelled this in your kitchen or in your pomadas, your cream that your mom rubs on you. This is not a pleasing smell. It's a good smell, but not something I would wear, you know, not something I would go into society smelling like. Like people are gonna be wondering what happened to me. What was I doing, you know, that I smell like this? Not a good blind buy. I definitely agree with the people saying this is not a good blind buy. But there you go. Are you guys happy? I wasted my money. I wasted my hard-earned money. You guys were not content with part 1, part 2 of me blind buying amazing fragrances, banger after banger after banger. You wanted me to waste my hard-earned money. Here you go. Here you go. This shit is ass. This one gets a 2 out of 10 for me. It's not a horrible smell. Like I said, I can pull it off, I hope, but I don't want to, you know. But I will, because this is what I do. I'm gonna put it on, see how well it performs, see how well the dry down is. Hopefully that initial smell fades away and then the dry down is a little bit more floral. I was gonna give it a 3 out of 10, but no, because I'm not a pussy like that. I'm honest. 2 out of 10. Moschino's Toy Boy, a little bit divisive, polarizing, definitely not mass appealing. Don't blind buy this. The last one over here is this small ass bottle of Versace Man Eau Fraiche. Not too excited about this one because I do got Versace Homme. I feel like it's gonna smell pretty similar. Freshies, Versace Freshies, but damn, hurry up, bro. Bro, that shit is stuck. What the fuck? Come on now. Small ass bottle of Versace Man Eau Fraiche. Definitely feels weird to hold. I can like throw this shit around. Feels like a piece of plastic. Let's test it out. I don't know, man. All I smell is the fucking Toy Boy right now. I don't smell anything, low key. I don't smell. I feel like I'm already done with the bottle. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know what to say, man. I don't smell nothing much. My nose is blinded. I just smell citruses. It is a little bit fresh, but yeah, I definitely feel bad for Versace Man Eau Fraiche because I can't describe it as much. I apologize. My nose has gone blinded, or maybe this just doesn't smell like anything, you know? But it is what it is. I can't give it a rating because I can't even smell it that well. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed me wasting my money on these colognes. So definitely not my best blind buying choices, not my best financial choices, but it is what it is. Again, if you want to join the giveaway, first of all, I am gonna be roasting more collections. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me and send me your collection so I can roast them. If you are following me already, just look out for that giveaway post. I'll post it. You guys comment your cologne that you want. Choose a random comment and then I'll pick the winner. I love doing this. I love talking about colognes. I love collecting fragrances, and I can do it in front of you guys and you guys are watching me. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Just smell better.